Okay, hello everybody. Today we will be talking about wishes and regrets, and we're going to be talking about migration. First we're going to talk about wishes, not regrets. Alright, how do we express wishes in the present? For example, Bob doesn't have a car, but he would like to have one. So Bob wishes he had a car. Okay? Sandra has a lot of homework to do, but she doesn't feel like doing it, probably like you. So she wishes she didn't have a lot of homework. Mark would love to be rich, but he is not. He's not rich. He wishes he were rich. These are all wishes about the present, right? I can't swim, but I would love to. I wish I could swim. So, let's pay attention. How do we make wishes in the present? Bob wishes he had a car. Sarah wishes she didn't have a lot of homework to do. Mark wishes he were rich. I wish I could swim. We make wishes about situations in the present with the past simple. Okay? That's easy. It's a revision. Now we have wishes about the past that you have been working with in the text. Josh didn't study for the test and got a bad grade. And now he regrets it because he didn't study and he regrets. He wishes, he had studied for the test, but he didn't and he failed. When you have a wish about the past, it's a regret because there is nothing you can do about it now. Josh had driven too fast or drove too fast and suffered an accident. There's a mistake here. Okay? So, now there's nothing we can do about it. He wishes he hadn't driven too fast. Right? Anthony bet all his money on blackjack and lost it all. And so, he wishes he hadn't gone to the casino, but he did, and he lost his money. Susan went to bed late, and now she's too tired to work. She wishes she had gone to bed earlier, but she didn't go to bed, and now she's sleepy. So these are regrets. Okay, how do we make regrets? He wishes he had studied for the test, but he didn't. He hadn't driven too fast, but he didn't. He hadn't gone to the casino, but he did. She wishes she had gone to bed earlier, but she didn't. Okay? So we express them using the past perfect. Okay? Had and the participle. Okay. Well, we're going to stop here. Next time we're going to see wishes about the future.